With YouTube having over 1 billion users, that's 1/3 of the internet, by the way, it's no surprise that more and more creators are becoming YouTubers every day, meaning it's becoming more and more difficult to get your influence out there. Well, in this video, I'm gonna give you 10 tips on how to grow on YouTube the organic way in 2018, and it's coming up right after this. What's up, legends? I hope you're all having a blessed day. It's Preston here with Personal Legends, giving you great tips and tricks with becoming an entrepreneur, growing your social media, and giving you the right mindset for it. On this channel, I will be providing you with all the knowledge that I've been learning from my mentors, plus things that I'm learning myself on my personal journey. So if you're new here, definitely click that subscribe button and hit that bell notification to be kept up with my videos. Also, remember to comment down below if you are a new YouTuber and let me know what your channel's about. So it's no secret that needing social media for becoming an entrepreneur or for having a business is essential in 2018. If you're not doing it, you've already failed, guys. The internet is dominating and everything is online right now. However, so many people are making mistakes that are holding them back. But you might be asking yourself, but Kel, you only have 30 subscribers. How do you know how to grow? Well, with this channel, I'm brand new, but I have done other social media platforms for almost 2 years now. So I know a thing or two, or 10. So these 10 tips are gonna go from important to vitally important. So make sure to stick around until the end. So tip number 1, always make videos like you have 1 million subscribers. Whether you're getting comments, likes, engagements, or not, always create like you have people relying on you and your content. Tip number 2, never ever buy likes or subscribers. In 2018, YouTube knows what you're doing and they will immediately terminate you. On top of these, subscribers aren't organic or real. So essentially, if you're trying to support your business, you're not going to be selling anything because you're gonna have these fake subscribers that aren't real. And your view count to sub ratio is going to look really whack. Tip number 3, never ever do sub for sub. I know you've probably heard it before, but please just don't do it. For one, I can guarantee that these people that are subbing for subbing with you are never gonna watch your content. Again, resulting in dead subscribers. And again, giving you a horrible subscriber to view count ratio. And with that being said, tip number 4, comment and engage with other YouTubers. Comment on other YouTubers' videos, but be genuine about it. Have a professional profile pic. Others will see your comment and then they will go to your channel and potentially be converted into a subscriber. And with that, we're gonna have a bonus tip with number 4, have a clean profile. You really want to get down your branding and get down your color scheme and make your thumbnails all align and look good so people will wanna look through your videos and wanna click on them, ultimately resulting in a subscriber. But back to the comments, don't spam them and sit there and say, oh, come check out my channel. Unless the YouTuber has said to comment down below about your channel, don't do it. In 2018, YouTube will send you straight to the spam box. The YouTuber can still see that if they check it, but me, myself, I rarely check my spam box. This method really helped my previous YouTube channel grow, and I would say to comment at least 10 comments on 10 different YouTubers' channels per a day. There's a poll that's gonna pop up, and whether you're new to YouTube or not, let me know how long you've been doing YouTube. I really wanna know. Tip number 5, network and collab with other YouTubers. This one is vital to your growth. And the first rule of this is really try to only collab with people that are in your same niche. And the second rule is that you don't even have to live in the same city or even country at that as that person. I live in Japan, but as I grow this channel and I connect and network with other similar niches, I'm still gonna collab, and this is how you can do it. Make a video where you're gonna introduce the person that you're collabing with and what they're gonna talk about. Then have them create the content for you. They'll send that video to you, and then you will play that video after your introduction. Then you transition into ending the video, and then you send your subscribers over to their channel. They'll end up doing the exact same thing, and then ultimately it will gain the subscribers back and forth for your channels. Not only is it an opportunity to grow, but you're both gonna grow a connection through friendship and just networking in general. It's powerful and it works, guys. Tip number 6 is actually love the content and videos that you create. If you don't like it, then others aren't gonna like it either. But also know that just because you love it doesn't mean that it's perfect either. If you're not trying to improve every single video that you make, then you will not succeed on this platform and also becoming a video producer. Every single video that I upload to YouTube, I watch multiple times and I try to figure out something that I can improve on for the next video. This has massively helped my overall video producer skills. Tip 7 is batch your videos. This is so important. We are all busy in life and I totally understand. And until I started batching, creating was so difficult. So if you're uploading one time per week, then take the first free day out of the month for you, then create 4 videos in one day and edit them. Then schedule their releases once a week throughout the month. This is what's so awesome about YouTube, is that you can schedule videos. And ultimately the result, it will allow you to have so much more time for other things. And tip number 8 is going to be make a schedule from the start. The moment that I made a schedule for my first channel, and both on my channel banner and in my videos I announced what days I'd be uploading, my growth started growing so much faster. YouTube is a lot like TV. People want to know when they're going to be able to expect your videos and to see them. And that brings me to tip 9, which is be consistent. This one is so highly important. Many people will digress, but I personally think when you're new to YouTube, you should start by uploading just once a week. Or also, if you're like me with starting a new channel, you really have to figure out which is better, quality versus quantity. I personally like quality over quantity, and I definitely learned that lesson with my first channel. And with that being said, don't drop off the face of the planet. Always upload according to your schedule. If you don't, this is a huge way to lose subscribers and lose people's interests. And tip number 10, the most important tip of all, is to focus on the current algorithm. In 2018, YouTube has made it very apparent that the YouTube algorithm is based off of watch time. So watch time is the amount of time that people are watching your videos. So when they fall off your video, it really can hurt your watch time. You really want people to watch from the beginning all the way until the end. So what you really want to focus on is what's called audience retention. And having about an average of 50% of audience retention is really good. And in a later video, I'm going to go into more detail on how to keep people's attention more and to get that watch time. But watch time is so important because the more that you have it, it tells YouTube this is a good video. And they then start suggesting your video to other viewers, and then it also can get you a higher ranking in search results, resulting in more views and more subscribers to subsequently grow your business. Remember guys, growing on YouTube is not a race, and honestly that's for all social media platforms. It's gonna take time and a lot of work, so be patient and put in the work. Let me know in the comments down below what your YouTube goals and ambitions are, and also include the word organic growth. It's gonna let me know that you're serious about YouTube. Give this video a big thumbs up and share it if you think it's gonna help somebody. Remember, never forget your reason, never stop learning, never give up, and most of all, always live for your personal legend. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you next Saturday in a new video.